Hello guys, this is a bookshelf speaker from Canada, Paradigm 40B. It comes from Canada, it's designed in Canada in Mississauga, Ontario. It's two ways, we can see it how beautiful it looks. It comes from the Founders series, base reflection on the back, nice shape of the cabinet. Look the finish, everything it's in Canada guys. The front is aluminum cover, it's holding its place with magnets. We can remove it if we like. In order to discover the drivers, there are two drivers. So that's how we remove the baffle, the aluminum baffle. In order to expose the drivers, we can see two drivers, one tweeter, 1-inch tweeter, and one mid woofer of 6 inch. So 4 screw seats. The woofer has a special shock mount, they call it. It's for isolation. Here we have the woofer, which is double magnets with ventilated former for the voice coil, which is 1.5 millimeters voice coil. So and the tweeter, which is aluminum magnesium ceramic, the dome. It has a waveguide you see in front and perforated face aligning lens. You see the former with the holes of the mid-woofer, how thick and big driver is this, with a chassis of casting, die-cast chassis. And it has a surround, around the cone. Paradigm calls this surround vertical mounting system, active ridge technology. So here we have another look of the woofer. There we can see the shock mount former, close up of the former with the voice coil and the spinder. So it's a huge build system here, this mid-woofer. It's building in Canada in the factory of Paradigm, so it's not outsourcing, it's handmade, everything it's handmade here guys, from the wood to the drivers, everything. So look the cabinet inside, it's fine. I mean the wood, it's fine, it's not like a rough. The back of the driver of the tweeter, another view, the magnet, even the cables are good, and the screws are not going inside the wood, but they have special place to get in. The founder, Paradigm WFR 0127 is the woofer, the mid woofer. Look the cables, how thick they are. Everything is huge here, even though it's a small speaker, it's a bookshelf one. Look the cable that this company provides inside, so it's a beauty. Paradigm, this surround, it's ridged enough to support the cone and the tweeter. Everything is in place now. So it's a nice bookshelf speaker, two ways, with a 89 dB, Founder 4 dB is the name, 41 Hz is the lower frequency that can reach, and reaches 23 kilohertz on the top. Look, the crossover is exactly behind the terminals, terminals are big enough. Look, the components here, everything is in order, neat, very clever, very smart design. You see the resistors here. One of the coils is iron core, has iron core. Look here, more close, you see the iron core. Two ways, two drivers, stand mount, ported enclosure, speaker. Thanks for watching.